Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by unboxing and laying out modules a through D. Keep screws, hex wrench, and mesh heads nearby. Place the rack on a stable surface and attach the mounting clamps so the pads sit at ergonomic height. Once done, loosely mount the tom and snare arms so you can fine-tune angles later. This saves time and prevents cross-threading. Make sure to leave the module front clear for cable routing and monitor access. You now fit each mesh head onto its hoop, tensioning evenly in a star pattern to preserve tone and response. This ensures consistent rebound. Once heads are set, mount symbols and route TRS trigger cables neatly to the module, labeling a through D to match inputs. Then plug the kick into the dedicated 1/4 jack and secure cables with ties to avoid snags. After connecting power on the module to confirm LEDs and basic input recognition, before advancing to calibration. You finish by calibrating each pad using the module's auto-calibrate routine. If hits feel off, use manual sensitivity and threshold adjustments to balance dynamics and eliminate ghost triggers. Once calibrated, sit and play through grooves, making small angle and height tweaks so reach and rebound feel natural. If you encounter misfires or dead zones, recalibrate, reseat cables, and retention heads evenly. Those 3 fixes resolve most issues. Finally, save your kit preset and test with headphones or monitors to confirm mix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.